Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the help center on the Klarna application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the Profile button next to the Budget option at the bottom of the page, and you go to the question icon at the upper right corner of the screen. And here you can find different informations and questions about the declined purchase, the refunds, payments, personal details, delivery, return and cancellation, or the quick guides. And for example, just click one and you can read information about that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.